Yo, alright guys, here we go. Here's the engine bay. Dusty as hell. This is my 2007 A4 B7 quattro. We're changing out these spark plugs and the coils for some R8 coils and for some copper spark plugs. These are the old ones I just pulled out. As you can see, they're all caked up from the last owner. This is my first time. I've had the car for like a year and a half, but I've barely started driving it for like a couple months. And it was just parked there, so these are like some of the things that were done by the old owner. Look at this. They even got oil. Some of them have oil, like when I pulled them out. Look at that shit. Damn. You can see the oil on the threading and stuff. He was running those double platinum NGKs, old Bosch. I never had no problems with it. It didn't get no check engine light or anything. It's just that I wanted to change them since I was changing the coils. And then you can see some oil. Here are the R8 coils, legit from Audi. You gotta get the real stuff, man. I got these off of eBay. Luckily I got lucky and I didn't get ripped off and got some fake ones. They even came in the boxes and everything, wrapped. Got a torque wrench too, just to torque down the spark plugs. And then when I was torquing down the new spark plugs, I accidentally broke a spark plug inside the engine bay. But yeah, me and my friend, we got it out. Alright guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Air filter time. Whoop.